Hai, nama saya Nur Aizaira dari kelas MP1B. Hari ini saya akan bawa anda ke sebuah tempat yang pernah terkenal satu ketika dahulu, iaitu Sungai Lembing yang terletak di daerah Kuantan, Pahang. Untuk tahu kenapa Sungai Lembing pernah terkenal, jom ikut saya.
The distance from Kuantan to Sungai Lembing is only 45 km. Tara, now we already arrived. This is entrance gate to go to the Sungai Lembing. For your information, Sungai Lembing was famous because tin ore production. The tin mining area at Sungai Lembing was the largest and deepest of its time in the world. The tunnel spans around 322 km northwest of Kuantan. It also now has the El Dorado of the East. Now the activity tin ore has been stopped. Once upon a time, this is old building, we call it as Kelak Puro. Now we are at Museum Sungai Lembing. The museum building, which is 2-floor high, is located on top of a hill. It was formerly the residence of managers of tin mining companies in Sungai Lembing. Sungai Lembing Museum showcases a collection of the original mining equipment used for subterranean tin mining in Sungai Lembing. Among the interesting pieces of this collection are wooden woods used for making spare parts for the machines that operate in the factories. Now we will visit the tunnel for tin mining activities. Luckily, the tunnel was closed because they are under maintenance. But it's okay, we will go to the next place.
Ini adalah lokasi terakhir yang kita lawati pada hari ini, iaitu Jabatan Gantung Kampung Kolong Pahat. Siapa yang berminat boleh datang ke sini dengan keluarga ataupun kawan-kawan. Bye!
Famous Kolong Pahat hanging is the oldest bridge for local people to cross the river. You can even ride a motorbike on this bridge. Senyum terukir bila disapa dalam pantun. If you guys come to Kuantan, don't forget to visit Sungai Lembing. Bye!